more the look Happy Land Happy Land Hot. It's really nice. We'll go see what they have inside. Nó non đâm miệng nó nọc học hỏi đấy. Mà bên tôi nọc học hỏi sẽ có cao á. Lực mạnh hay okay.
That's all. Hold on. You want tofu bake? Mushrooms?
Yeah.
What kind? Enoki?
Yeah, enoki.
Fish balls? House.
It smells like the rib.
Nó mới cho soup nè. Cái đó hả lời.
Not less spicy and it's a hospital.
So, yeah, the podcast began.
Có một cheese chọc quảng.
Nó phải những bao.
Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I think he's gonna get comfortable like that. I think he's gonna get comfortable, and then you're gonna have to take care of him, baby him.
Cái này cho cuộc sống nó chặt lá nữa nè. Yeah, cái này cho quả cá nè.
Oh, I forgot to order noodles. Can we throw that in real quick or no?
Which one? The noodle?
2 white bean and then 1 gumbo.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. I'll be coming home.
There you go. Tàu lô.
They got a lot of meat. I just want to eat this like this.
Oh no.
Soup, it's just powder.
Tại nó chỉ cứ tại nó nè. Tại đi liếc tao nó nè.
Okay. Is that already mom?
Nó có hồi. Nói gì phải một con gió này. Cho tại nó hơi xả lên xả.
Here's the food. Oh, thank you.
Okay, yes.
Yay. That's my first time trying juice.
Try the noodle.
I will.
See how was it? See?
It's good.
It's good. It's been for a long time. So it's not hard for now.
Ready a lot. Okay, this one's for me. Like it, baby?
Thì nó cũng nói cho linh chi rồi đó. Nói cho linh chi rồi chứ sẽ xếp là cái chả.
I still like beef meatball.
Yeah. I had to agree. Okay, decide what you guys want next.
언제부터?
난 오늘 엄마.
오.
You okay?
Salmon and duck noodles.
Cho từ
The
big noodle?
Yeah.
Nè bác ấy mà.
I like that.
Okay, give me the paper. Okay. I don't think you got the other stuff. Oh, well. Oh, we did that.
You get 3 noodles and okay?
3?
Yeah.
you want more white bean noodle?
Can you get some the king oyster?
You want the same soup? I will see about that. Fish fillet. Fish fillet.
Ok, cũng cho nên là thay nó họp họp rồi thì nó sẽ nó cho họ để biết chuyện nó nên để thì chị để mà lịch trình đi rồi nè. Ok, bye bye ạ.